Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNHI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Very, very nice. Not really day-to-day, but just really past several days. So what I want to do is just map out some levels of support. Then we can talk about some areas of resistance. So first, levels of support. Ideally, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? I'd say the ideal level of support right there at 0.038. Now, if the price does drop below that, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that's definitely going to be the area that makes the chart look the most powerful going forward. Next level of support, if 0.038 cannot hold, is going to be one that I consider a very important level, and that's down there at 0.027. Why do I consider that very important? Well, this was, the former area of resistance where you can see the price really struggled. I mean, time and time again, the price tried to break through it, and then when the price finally did break through it right there, you can see a couple times right afterwards, the bears try to press the price down below there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And, just from a big picture of things, and I'm assuming I can speak for everybody, nobody wants to see the price going back into ranges that they just broke out of. And, if the price were to fall down below this area, again, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined, but nobody wants to see the price go back inside of this range that, it did a good job of breaking up above right there. And again, I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that, and I'm not implying that that's threatening, to happen given that the price is way up there. But from, again, big picture, and I keep emphasizing that because, this could seem crazy, but let's say the price actually did fall all the way down there, bounces around, and then headed back up. Even with a drastic pullback like that, you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have this set of lows down there, you'd have that set of lows, and if you picture each of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So that's what I mean. 0.027 is more so, that more important level of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? Well, there's one at this point that really stands out to me, and that level is right here at 0.044. You can see just small. I'm not gonna count the number of times, but you get the point. All sorts of times the price try to get up through there, and for whatever reason, there are sellers currently sitting right there. So I'm not saying it can't be broken, but according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they are going to be able to fight through that area. Anyway, you slice it though, very nice day, and it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.